This Car Guy's plastic restorer is a brilliant little solution for bringing old, faded trim back to life, whether it's plastic, rubber, or vinyl. It comes with a foam applicator that makes it super easy to apply, and it's safe to use without worrying about any sticky residue or mess. It's perfect for giving your vehicle that fresh, detailed look again. This Econor windshield sunshade is ideal for keeping your car's interior cool by blocking out the majority of heat and sunlight. It opens up quickly and fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. Whether you're parked at the mall or out in the sun all day, it helps maintain a more comfortable temperature inside and protects your dashboard too. These Usanuk's microfiber cleaning cloths are incredibly soft and super absorbent, making them ideal for both quick cleanups and proper detailing. They're designed to leave no streaks or lint behind, and they can be reused over 1,000 times without losing quality. This MIRACASE phone holder makes it easy to keep your smartphone in place while you're driving. It uses a strong metal clip that fits into your air vent and holds firm even on bumpy roads. It works with almost any phone, and you can rotate it for the perfect viewing angle without taking your eyes off the road for long. The Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit helps you clear up cloudy or yellowed headlights with a simple wipe-on system. No tools needed at all. The wipes are specially designed to restore clarity and improve visibility, making your headlights look brand new again and boosting safety during night driving. This PULIDIKI car cleaning gel is a clever way to clean out all the tricky little corners in your car, like air vents, buttons, and cup holders. The sticky, reusable gel picks up dust and debris that a cloth just can't reach, and it's oddly satisfying to use too. Great for keeping the interior tidy with minimal effort. The CAMCO TASTEPURE RV water filter is designed for anyone on the road who wants clean, fresh drinking water straight from the hose. It uses a mix of carbon and KDF filtration to reduce bad taste, odors, and contaminants. These SINGARO silicone cup holder inserts are a smart way to keep your car's cup holders clean and tidy. They're flexible and non-slip, so your drinks stay steady, and they catch drips and crumbs to make cleanup much easier. Just pop them out, rinse them off, and you're good to go. This AIRTAG holder with keychain is designed to keep your Apple AirTags safe and scratch-free while giving you a secure way to track keys or bags. It's made from a sleek, durable material that holds the tracker firmly. The Rain X Windshield Repair Kit is a DIY-friendly solution for fixing small chips and cracks in your windshield before they spread. It comes with a clear resin that fills the damaged area and restores visibility, saving you from expensive repairs or replacements. A must-have in your glove box. This REDTIGER dashcam records in 4K and captures sharp footage from both the front and back of your vehicle. With features like night vision, GPS tracking, and even a 24-hour parking mode, it provides peace of mind whether you're on the road or parked up somewhere. The Ansel AD310 OBD2 scanner is a handy tool for diagnosing car issues without visiting a mechanic. It plugs straight into most vehicles made after 1996 and reads engine fault codes so you can sort minor issues yourself. Ideal for anyone who likes a bit of DIY car care. This MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash delivers a rich, foaming clean that lifts dirt gently without damaging the paint. You can use it in a foam cannon or just a regular bucket, and it leaves a smooth, glossy finish that brings out the shine in your vehicle. The NOCO Genius One smart charger works on both 6V and 12V batteries, making it perfect for maintaining everything from cars to bikes to deep cycle batteries. It charges safely, restores old batteries, and even prevents overcharging automatically. This SHYNERK baby car mirror lets you keep an eye on your baby while driving with a wide, shatterproof mirror that's fully adjustable. It straps securely to the back seat and gives you a clear view without turning around, which adds an extra layer of reassurance on the road. The stainless steel shower squeegee is surprisingly useful for car windows too, thanks to its wide blade and sleek build. It quickly clears off steam, water, or streaks from mirrors and glass. And it comes with 2 adhesive hooks so you can hang it neatly when not in use. This Loctite THREADLOCKER Blue 242 is great for keeping bolts, nuts, and screws secure without permanently sealing them. It prevents loosening caused by vibration and helps stop rust forming on your fasteners, making it perfect for automotive or DIY use. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.